Hey guys, welcome back to my channel El-levate. In today's video, we're going to look into one of Ethiopia's fastest growing digital health platforms. It's called Medanit. It's an Amharic word which translates into something like cures, like a medicine. Whether you're a health worker, a tech lover, or just someone curious about what's happening in Ethiopia's digital health space, this one is for you. So what is Medanit? Medanit was founded in 2022 to tackle some major challenges in Ethiopia's healthcare system, like finding medicine in emergency, getting mental health support, or even just booking a doctor's appointment. Their mission is to make healthcare easier, faster, and more accessible through technology. I ran into them last time during the Ethiopia Technology Expo 2025, and I was amazed by the amazing work that they're doing. The key features of Medanit are telemedicine and telepsychology. You can consult doctors or mental health professionals remotely. And the second is medication delivery. You can order meds straight to your home. And third is appointment booking. No more waiting in lines. You can book who you want when you want. And also health info access. You can search doctors, hospitals, and labs in real time. It works both in Amharic and English on 2G networks, and even has a call center for people. It even has a call center for people without internet access. Ethiopia's population is over 120 million, and 70% of people are struggle to get timely care due to distance, cost, or lack of coordination. But Medanit is part of a growing digital health shift in Africa's healthcare, which is expected to grow up to $6 billion US dollars by 2030. What I like about Medanit is they've already served over 24,000 users, over 13,000 consultations, and 1,000 plus medication deliveries. And there's a strong focus on mental health, which is still underserved in Ethiopia. And they also offer a referral and loyalty system to keep people engaged. So I'm gonna quickly review their website first. The website is www.medanit.com. I'll put that in the description. And as you see, there are many options: ordering pharmaceuticals, finding doctors, finding hospitals, diagnostics, pharmacies, and then there's a blog. I already logged in offline. You just put your number and password, and it sends you an OTP, and then you can go in. So we can try the diagnostics. For the diagnostics, you can search with like test that you want done. For example, if I wanted an X-ray, there is a nearby diagnostic center, and then I would see their available hours, and then I can book. It's that easy. But then I'll have to put in more details to book because I didn't actually add in all my details. I think that is useful for them for creating records. So I think that's what you do for the pharmacies as well. You can search by medication. And I really like, one of the things I really like about Medanit is the pictures and everything. It looks actually real, and you can see that they've actually put in some work into this. So what is the find pharmacies? You can type or upload a picture to locate where you can find a medication, supplements, and other products on Medanit. You either can look into your close pharmacy or type down the medication you're looking for. Okay. Last time the first time I logged in, it asked me to access my location. I don't remember what I did, but I think it might be accessing my location. But overall, speaking generally, from even last time when I met Medanit at the Ethiopian Technology Expo, I did ask some numbers, like how many pharmacies are onboarded, and it was a few considering the amount of pharmacies there are in the city. There are only a few that have been onboarded. So yeah, the more pharmacies need to be on board to make this more accessible. But overall, their system is quite good. I think they have it's smooth, and even the Telegram, which I have tried, they have um they have a Telegram bot feature. You see, it takes you to the Telegram. Like here in Addis, here in Ethiopia, Telegram is one of the most widely used social media platforms. So I did try it earlier. So this is what the bot helps you find the medications or doctors or any type of diagnostics. So you press start. For example, if I say I want a medication, I'll be asked to upload the I'll be asked to upload the prescription. And if I need some type of information, I'll be asked, do I want a hospital, a doctor, medicine, some type of diagnostics? So I could also go back and I can choose again. So I think this is really, really good that they have the Telegram bot feature. And I'll also try the call center 6636 offline, and I'll tell you how that went. Um, and also they have a section on the homepage where you have testimonials from people who actually tried this, and I think that's really good. I had seen that earlier. Yes, yes, here. Read trusted reviews from our customers and partners. Yes. So yeah, they have 5 stars and they have people reviewing their service. So that is really good. I really do appreciate their website. Is there room for improvement? Yes, there is. But how far they have came is actually good. And I mean, I think the location can be more accurate, like the diagnostic center, the pharmacies, and everything that I found were very close to me. There needs to be more expansion on that area, but I do believe Medanit will get there. Here is the Medanit app. This is what you get when you open the actual app. Okay. Welcome to Medanit services. So we have basically the same thing you have on the website here on the app. So they have blogs on when should baby start cow's milk, anemia. That's nice. 0 comments. I guess people are not very accustomed to these. But also you have doctors. Not many doctors. Why is that? I think last time on Tina first we had more doctors, but yeah. Okay. So this is how you order delivery from Medanit. You fill in your information, then you upload the prescription and you submit order. And I guess they order for you, but I think they take the prescription and take it back to the pharmacy. That way you can keep everything regulated. I think overall it's nice. The app is as I said earlier, like they could do more. There are areas for improvement, but overall, so here I would have medication orders, doctor's appointments, and diagnostics center appointments. I have on how do I be using intelligence? So they do handle payments through CBE and okay, this is good. This is nice. So I did try the call center as well. So a female picked up the phone and we did have a conversation for like 2 minutes. She picked up after 30 seconds and I think she was outside. It was a little bit noisy, but she seemed not to know if they had if how many pharmacies that they have, because I wanted to know first, like, is there a pharmacy close to where I am, or are you gonna guide me somewhere very far? But also she also told me that they connect diagnostics, give medical information and all of that. As I said previously, also there is definitely room for improvement, but I do know that like the doctors that are doing this telemedicine, telepharmacy, the pharmacists as well, it's definitely not their full-time jobs, so they're doing this while doing other things. So it's completely acceptable that she's outside while she's responding to this. So yeah, we did have a good conversation. I just didn't tell her that I was doing a review. I just asked her, do you know how many pharmacies are on board? Like, because I think that's a very huge issue for a lot of people, and having a lot of pharmacies onboarded to their platform is a huge deal. Yeah, so yeah. So what could improve is it would be nice to see more public education on digital health literacy and expansion between beyond urban centers, especially for older adults and non-smartphone users. And there needs to be more integration with existing public health systems to be able to scale. Overall, I think Medanit is doing something really powerful. It has already demonstrated its huge potential. It's localized, affordable, and actually solving real health problems, not just building tech for the sake of tech. If you've used Medanit or a similar app before, drop your experience in the comments. I'd love to hear how it's working for you. And if you're passionate about health equity in Africa like I am, make sure you subscribe, because this is only the beginning. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.